Welcome to 360 Traveler, aka Leon. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. Thank you. Like the video. So I'm here in Harem, Otogari, or like port here. I want to take. I'm on the Asian side of Istanbul, right in the center, almost in the center. Not too far from Galata, and I want to get like on the ferry to go back to where I live on the European side, downtown. But for that, there was this very helpful and friendly guy who told me that because I cannot buy an Istanbul card from the machine. I've spent like over a week here, but I still haven't got my Istanbul card. So he told me about two apps. The first one he told me about is called Mobiet, and I registered, but it doesn't give me the right direction from where I am now. It thinks that right now I'm in Galata Metro, and I'm 20 kilometers away from there. So for some reason this is not working out, and I registered with my phone number, my Turkish phone number. Okay, fine. So it's called like Mobiet, and he told me it's an app which is like a little bit older, not as fancy and new and useful and easy to use as just this one. The Istanbul Kart, K-A-R-T. So this one is pretty good. It's supposed to be really good, and you don't need an Istanbul card. You just need to get the QR code every time you want to take the MRT, and that's it. And then you get in, get out, you pay with your credit card. But the problem is that we get a major problem here, because if you're Turkish, fine. If you're a foreigner, fine, or not. Because if you're a tourist, it doesn't work out for you either, because you need to have a foreign national ID number, and I don't have that because I'm just a tourist, so I don't live here for a long time. So I just finished my coffee and my pastry, thinking that I could register to any of these apps. It didn't work out this way, so now I'm gonna have to try to get on the boards. So if I can get the Istanbul card not from this machine but from the one inside when you get in the gate, then that'll be great. If I can't, then never mind. I'm just gonna buy a single ticket, because we have like single tickets for like 6 lira. For 6 lira. So earlier the guy was like, okay, he wanted to pass me through. There was this older guy that was like, okay, like, do you want to get in? I'll just like get you in with my card, which was like very nice of him. But if there's a control, then I'm kind of screwed, you know what I'm saying? So then this younger guy was like, okay, you can use this app, and he really showed me how that worked. But then I went to try it in the cafe, and it didn't work out. So now I'm gonna try. I have to use the mask. I'm gonna try to see if I can buy the Istanbul card. Okay, so now I'm starting to know how this machine works. So
İçeriden al. Köfteci bunun içinden, burada yok.
doesn't work. Okay. Istanbul card. Yeah, I cannot buy the Istanbul card from there. Well, alright, so this machine doesn't work at all. This machine is like out of order, so here we go. We're gonna have to buy just for 6 lira. That's my only solution, I guess. I'm gonna buy a single pack. Alright. That's what we're gonna do. Okay, so I don't know if it's gonna accept my bills. Wait, what do I have here? 5. Okay, so if I get 1 lira, should be fine. And I have a lot of small coins. So. All right, so I don't know how much is for 2 journeys. So I should really have taken care of buying an Istanbul card earlier than that. You can buy it from like a couple of different shops, but not the small grocery store. And this machine doesn't sell Istanbul cards. So how it's gonna work. That's why like everybody went to this machine. I was like, why is everybody coming here to buy to get their card refill? Because of the machine doesn't take all the coins. Sometimes they just don't go through. You have to put the coins again. So if you want to know what happened next, you can skip this part. The board here. Okay, the board just arrived. So hopefully I can get on this board. I guess I'm gonna buy. Sometimes you can get 2 tickets for 1 single ticket for 6, and then I read online it's 5, 1 ticket with 5 trips for 15, but I don't know. I think from this machine you can only get 1 ticket.
Bu ilden bir geç bilet satın alabilirsin. Kartınızı ve bozuk paranızı aşağıdan alabilirsiniz.
So hopefully it's gonna work. And hopefully I can take the boat with 1 single ticket.
Bu ilden bir geç bilet satın alabilirsin. Kartınızı ve bozuk paranızı aşağıdan alabilirsiniz.
One trip.
1. Pass. Ticket sales menu. Please take your card from return tray below.
All right. Worked. Hopefully, it's the third time I think that I got this card, this single card, because time how this is gonna work. Yes, all right. And yeah, so we get this part of the cafe here that I could not accede before because I was not inside already. Köfteci Yusuf. All right, so exciting. I'm gonna take the boat for the first time here. I haven't crossed either from Europe to Asia or from Asia to Europe. What I'm gonna do now, just to remind you guys, Istanbul is the only city in the world just in between two continents, Europe and Asia. So it's pretty cool that I get to jump from one continent this morning to the next after having spent more than 3 weeks in Turkey and actually only 1 week in Istanbul. All right, so so everybody wear the mask. I gotta find some toilets. Okay, that's too much information. But I haven't been to the toilet since I was on the bus. All right. Everybody's sitting here. By the way, I have no idea how long. Great.
Değerli misafirlerimiz, yolculuk esnasında maske takmak zorundadır. Maskenizi ağız ve burnumuzu kapatacak şekilde kullanmanızı ve yeni içme sonrasında maskenizi hızlıca tekrar takmanızı rica eder. İyi yolculuklar dileriz. New guests, please note that it is mandatory to wear a mask during the journey. We kindly request you to use your mask to cover your mouth and nose and to quickly wear your mask again after eating and drinking. We wish you a nice trip.
Much cooler here. It's too hot outside. It's what time is it? Almost 12. Quarter to 12. Alright, so I mean it was not too difficult to get on the boat. All I had to do was once again get just a single ticket from the machine since I don't have an Istanbul card yet. And yeah, it's not too expensive. It's 60 cents of a euro. If I had the card, it would be like twice cheaper, about 30 cents of a euro, and you don't have to buy a ticket every time. Usually, you just have to refill your Istanbul card time to time. Alright, so now we're leaving. I should take a picture from here. It's pretty interesting. Alright, we're already on the go. Okay. part. It's not the part. That's the part when you depart. Usually, it's not the part from where you arrive. But normally, when I'm on a boat, I like to on a ferry like that. I like to take first to be basically at the part where you depart and then arrive on the other side. I know it makes sense, but I rather say it. And there's a couple boats here. All right. It is. So yeah. So as soon as this boat departs, we got a new one that arrives from the other side. You can see. And just to remind everybody, I left from Harem, H-A-R-E-M, Otogari, so autobus station, and also port was here. Right? So let me check out the other side and see how close we are. This is a small tour here, man. get now. It's not going to be that far. And I think I can just walk back home. than the last time. So we can have a look at the other side from a little further, from the Asian side. So that's a better view of the Asian side. Look at that. Pretty nice. Find the spot. It takes quite a while to cross. Maybe about 15 minutes, 20 minutes. I think the most beautiful part of the city. That's where I live right now. Look at the bridge, grading them. I'm gonna go down so we can see from a bit closer. Italy. Alright, so here we get the bridge right here. So Galata is behind this side. The yogurt, or like however you pronounce it, which is like the area between the European side, that's the and then the whole town it's right there. We got the bridge in the middle. So yeah, the board is pretty close to the bridge. What I'm gonna have to do is walk toward the bridge and cross the bridge. That's gonna be about it. Actually, I was pretty lucky to find this bus. Leaving from Antalya and coming here, and I guess a lot of people, like you have 18 million people in Istanbul, and not only Istanbul, downtown obviously, like all of the suburb of Istanbul, and a lot of people don't live, most people don't live here downtown, so normally the bus stops at different bus stations all over Istanbul's outskirts. I was lucky to find this one that just stops right here on the other side, right on Harem, which is very simple. So I didn't have to take more complicated transportation. I would have taken time for me to get here. That's fine. I had to take the boat, and now I was saying maybe about like half an hour walk, maybe. And it's a nice walk too. So I really don't mind. Even my backpack is getting a bit heavy. But yeah, people that do that cross twice a day, whatever, this side and live on the other side, it's gonna be 1 hour. Alright. So I don't think I'm gonna make a new video on the other side because I wanna make videos downtown. I'm gonna have like little trees, and I don't want the sun to be that strong. I'd rather do it like a little later during the day. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. The video is just finishing right now when I'm arriving here. It is 12 p.m. so yeah, thanks for watching the electricity traveler. Once again, really help my channel if you can subscribe, hit the like button. I'd like to have like 100 subscribers by the end of the year. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Peace. Did I hit 30 minutes? I can't see. It's too sunny now.